BSN 2? Okay, you have to close all your notes. Do you want the world to see how good you are? Sige, this is NCM 109. Okay, question number 1. Okay, before your quiz, we have to review. Question number 1, what is the most unwanted complication of H-mode? Ano? What is the drug of choice for choriocarcinoma? What is our goal? HCG to become? 0. Okay, you will not be allowed to take what? Okay, bakit? It contains what? Okay guys, in hyperemesis gravidarum, where will you place the patient? Away or near? Away! Are you allowed to feed the patient? During vomiting? What is the diet of the patient? Pag nagbabamit. What is the diet of the patient in hyperemesis gravidarum? Pag nagbabamit. Ano? No. Pag nagbabamit pa siya, ano yung diet? NP? O, pag nagbabamit pa, NPO. Tama ba? Yes. Okay, so, okay, we have to, this is a bleeding disorder in the 3rd trimester. It is painful. It is painless. In what type of placenta previa the patient is allowed to deliver via NSD, but you will have to have double setup? Low? Low lying. Very good. Okay, balik tayo. In H-mode, okay, the patient is predisposed to have an H-mode if the patient is taking low protein. Oh guys, di ko muna ipapakita kung gaano sila kagaling kasi baka maano kayo sa board exam. Pag-isipan nyo na baka ano, okay? They're very good. Even the foreigners here, they're very good. They are getting a perfect score. So, wherever are your loved ones, okay? Ayan, sige. Papasa ba? Guys, in UCC, second year pa lang, we are already aiming to top the board exam. Transfer. Ano sasabihin nyo? Lipat na! O, 1, 2, 3. Ano sasabihin nyo? Lipat na!